I own and run a podcast called The Best Morning Routine Ever. And that's how I first met Tami. She was one of the guests on my show. And I had just started the podcast and I had no direction, no clarity on how to move forward. And it was my first attempt at actually starting and growing a business. And so when I spoke to Tami immediately after the episode, I said to Tami, how do I work with you? There was something about her. It was her energy. It was her vibe. It was her competence in leadership that triggered me to make a decision right on the spot. I wanted to hire my first coach ever. So Tami came into my life at the right time because I needed guidance, and that's what I've been getting since I've been working with Tami. She's helped me with gaining presence in social media as well as brand recognition. So my life has been better since I started working with Tami because I now have the confidence to do this, to continue to build and grow my own business. I'm getting ready to launch an app called the Hit Savers app for your best morning routine ever. And Tami was part of the brainstorming team when I initially started a year ago. See, Tami believed in me when I didn't believe in myself. And because of that, I am forever grateful for Tami. Now, I would 100% recommend others to sign up and work with Tami because let me tell you, the benefits you're going to get are worth it. Tami is worth it. You are worth it. Invest in yourself and you will not regret it. Tammy's pretty awesome and one of the best coaches in town. And I am forever indebted to her because she gave me the confidence I needed to get my business off the ground. So thank you, Tami.